Oh, do you see that lightning? Oh my God, you hear that?
So the question is, can you ride an electric bike in a rainstorm all the way home? Let's find out. See, Chris?
Recording right now?
I'm recording right now.
No delay.
Yeah. Goodbye. Goodbye, Lonnie. See ya. Yeah, so it's a little crazy. Last words? Well, we'll just see how this goes. It's a pretty... Huh? What's up?
You don't actually wear your leathers?
Yeah, it's the only gloves I got.
They're not good.
Oh, I know. I've worn them in the rain a lot before. Oh, yeah. That's going to be super fun. All right. Well, boys, I'll see you later. Ride dry? Just got to go fast, right? Deuces. See you guys. All right. So the test begins. As you can tell, it's not exactly, well, dry. It's coming down pretty good. I can already feel the water coming into my shoes. And there's the bike. Let's see if it works. First thing we gotta do, it's been soaking for probably 2-3 hours, is just see if it even turns on. All right, yes, we got Talaria right there. We got light right there. All right, let's see. Holy. Do you see how this water's coming in? God. All right, we got the brake light going, so we're not gonna get run over, hopefully. Gotta, you know, keep that seat all clean and everything, right? All right, here we go. Start button, sport mode, because why not? And we're off. Oh man, that's a good little wheelie. Okay, so brakes, not the best in the wet. So the visor is just, oh yeah, the brakes are not good in the wet. Gonna have to try to dry those off on the way home. All right. So yeah, acceleration, all that stuff works fine. Yeah, you can hear that. It doesn't really work that well. So, on our way now. Woohoo! So can we lock up the rear? Yep, we can lock up the rear. Yeah, those front brakes just ain't doing it. Alright, we're gonna go standard path just because, well, I don't have a better way to go. Alright, let's get some splashes. Alright. This thing's doing great. You know, the only problem is that my visor doesn't have its waterproof coating anymore, and the rain is just kind of sticking to it. But yeah, this is a pretty good little storm. But the bike fired up perfectly, the regen's working great, the screen's on, the brakes are squeaking. You can see the puddles of water on the headlight. Hopefully everybody's patient in the rain. Thank you very much, very large truck. And I don't have to worry about anything. But this is my commute right now. You know, this is just heading back home. Ooh, let's see if we can get in behind this school bus so I don't have to try to do the turn signal all by myself. Oh yeah, the brakes do not like rain. Wow. Just follow this guy. And then still use the hand signals, because just because it's raining, we don't want to ignore the rules-ish. All right, and here we go. So,
Vents open to try to be able to see while we're riding. Super fun. Yeah, it's fogging up pretty bad in here. Oh, do you see that lightning? Oh my god, you hear that? Woo, this is a pretty good storm. Oh my god. Alright, now let's see. Still cruising good, you know? Going around turns fine. Feels all good too, so just having a great time. More lightning. More thunder. Excellent. Definitely starting to get a little bit chilly. This rain jacket, I don't know if you can tell, isn't doing so hot. Splash! Right into my feet. Hell yeah. Whew. Alright, and come to a slower stop. Alright, let's let this car go. Perfect. Alright, and then we're going after them. Let's hope this truck sees me. Thank you very much. Ooh, those are some big old drops. Those are some really big drops. This is fun, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, we're gonna have just a wee bit of fun since we're already absolutely soaked. Wow, that was slippery. Alright, now let's spin around. Alright. In the wet and everything. Alright, let's get back on the road. Let's get out of this water. Hey, little bird. Oh man, I went right through that puddle when I got on here. Oh my lord. Alright. And back on the street. So yeah, it's honestly doing great. So far, the only slippery section was off-road in the mud. Ooh, yeah, those brakes still don't like the water. Be very polite to everybody, because I am definitely the smallest thing out here. Ooh, coming off the trees, some very big drops hitting me in the chest. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh yeah, right in the feet. Here, let's get another splash. Oh yeah, another big splash, another smaller splash. Super good. Wow, this is coming down. This is insane. You see the truck up there splashing all the water? That's what I'm driving through. Still having a good time, you know? We're cruising the same as we do during the sun, so it's doing great. Alright, let's hope that car can see us. Yep, that car saw us, so we're good. It's sketchy in the rain, to say the least, because I'm already a smaller vehicle, and then they have a harder time seeing me already, and then to be you know, in the rain where it's low light conditions is a little sketchy, to say the least. But feet, jeans absolutely soaked, but the Talaria is killing it. It's doing great. Glasses are all covered in water, my jacket's soaked through. Ooh, soppy wet socks. Oh yes. Yeah, everything except for the brakes are doing fantastic. Suspension's exactly the same. It should be. The water shouldn't affect the suspension. The you know, the display, you can read everything still. It's doing great. Tires holding up well. Having a good time. Now let's follow this F-150, see if we can't get something big and splashy to happen. Yes. See those big splashes? Oh my god. Quite the experience. All right, didn't make it into that gate, but that's okay. Just punch in the code, and then the gate opens back up, and we are home free. And ladies and gentlemen, back through the soppiness that has become the front yard, right by the Honda where we park it. All right. So, can you ride an electric e-bike in the rain all the way back home? The answer is yes. Second question, do you want to? If you have rain gear, absolutely. And if you don't, you're gonna have some very heavy jeans afterward. Very heavy jeans. But yeah, that was a lot of fun. Talaria handled it like an absolute champ, so we'll put it away, let it dry out, and go have some fun tomorrow. Thanks for watching.